Welcome to DNA's Birding Adventures. We are at Crane Hollow Drive, just west of Pella Crossing in Hygiene, Colorado. There have been some strange anomalies this year with birds coming down into areas they're not supposed to. I mean, you don't really have to leave Colorado. We've had some encounters with birds like the king eider last year, and then the Bohemian waxwings came down from Canada. They're usually up there, but there were flocks of them here. Not Colorado, but the flamingo has been spotted in 7 other states. We saw this limpkin this summer. On top of that, we saw this Eurasian Wigeon in the same pond where we saw this other bird that's not supposed to be there. The ducks are back, and it looked like a super highway there out on the water. There were so many different species. You can tell I sped this video up for effect. There they go. All the ducks are back. So there's wigeons, ring-necked ducks. We saw a northern pintail earlier. Redhead, couple redheads, and a whole bunch of others. Here's the list. While we were observing all the ducks, there was a guy in a Prius that told us there was a surf scoter that was in the ponds on the north side. And thank you so much to him. We did find the surf scoter, but we'll take it. Another bird that got lost, or who knows? I don't even know if it was a immature male or a female. The females in first-year males are dark brown with white patches, just like this one. Please drop us a note if you know the difference, whether this is male or female. These are Crane Hollow ponds. We were here a couple weeks ago. There's an alpaca and a surf scoter right out beyond the alpaca. Neither one are supposed to be here. I believe the pronunciation should be Scoter, not Scotter. If you have another opinion on the pronunciation, give us a comment down below. We watched him or her diving for probably about a half an hour, and it'd be nice to see the male in breeding colors. That's what it looks like. We'll probably have to head to the coast to see one in colors like that, but we'll take it. Lifer number 513. Hey there, alpaca. They're not supposed to be here either. Oh, here comes another one. Come by. Hi there. Hello.
Cute. Hello.
Okay, cuteness overload. I just had to add this alpaca. I wanted to pet him so badly. Here's our list of birds that we have for 2023, as well as the new life bird. Thanks for tagging along with us, and until next time, happy trails to you.